आयज आपोण्याचो देव आपोण्याचो आयतार देखून आमी आमची भयण सिस्टर मोटवाशी आपले आपोणे आमकां शॅर करतली. थोडोसो वेळ ते आपल्या आपोण्या वयर आमकां ते आपोणे कशें आयले, देवान कशी तिका आपयली मादर जावंक ते आमकां सांगतली.
Good morning, friends. First of all, I would like to thank Father Orland for giving me this opportunity to share about my vocation and about our congregation on this Vocation Sunday. I would like to begin with a quote from the prophet Jeremiah. हे सोर्बेस्वराचे उतर म्हाका पावलें. कुसव्यान तुका आकारचे आदी हांवें तुका वळखलो. तूं जल्मोचे आदी हांवें तुका संस्कारलो. राष्ट्रां खातीर हांवें तुका प्रवादी नेमला. Just like this prophet Jeremiah, God called me out of my nothingness. Friends, I was born in a devout Catholic family on 25th July in a small village called Chandor. We are 3 girls and 1 boy, and I am second in the order. My mother is a housewife and my father, who has just retired this year, was working in Kuwait for the last 44 years. When I was at the age of 7, preparing for the sacrament of communion, one evening I went and told my mother that I desired to become a sister, a nun. Since then on, my mother treasured my words in her heart and kept praying for me. My grandparents, parents, relatives and friends supported and encouraged me in my vocation. As I was growing up, I was actively involved in the parish in different groups of altar service, choir, youth and Legion of Mary, where the Lord was slowly preparing my heart for Himself. In my 12th standard, as I continued with my discernment in joining the convent, I participated in one retreat in Pota, Kerala, where I truly prayed hard to God to reveal His plan for me. During the retreat one evening, Father Augustine came at the altar and told all of us in the big group, saying, I have prayed for each one of you, and God has gifts for each one of you. So He just told us to claim the gifts. He mentioned the many gifts that the Lord wanted to gift us. Like He said, there are 30 people in this group who will get a good job. There are 25 families who will get a child. There are many who are searching for a life partner and they will be getting a life partner. And there are so many who are waiting for good results. They would be blessed with good results. At this time, my inner voice was saying to me, yours will be the last gift. And so I was waiting to listen, what will this last gift be for me? And he said about the last gift finally. Father Augustine said, there are 40 people in this group who are chosen by the Lord to proclaim Him throughout the world. This was the gift God gave me and confirmed my vocation to become a sister. This message that I received in Pota, Kerala was a gift assuring me that I belong to Him and He has chosen me for Himself. Later, when I was completing my graduation, I met a presentation sister, Sister Jaya, who spoke to me about Menu, our mother foundress. She mentioned to me that Nano was born in Ireland. Our congregation started in Ireland in 1775. Nano was a woman of courage and was passionately in love with Jesus and his work. In the midst of the penal laws, she worked for the poorest of the poor in educating them so that they would be empowered. The words of this particular sister and the very life of Nano inspired me to join the Presentation Sisters and to walk in the footsteps of Nano Nagel. Friends, in 2017, I joined the convent in Chennai. After 1 year of my initial formation, I was sent to Bhopal for 2 years to complete my novitiate. In the year 2020, on 25th May, I made my first commitment through the vows of chastity, poverty, and obedience. I was deeply grateful and overjoyed that the Lord's doing was so powerful in me. Finally, I belonged to Him. I was then posted to Maharashtra for few months, working with the people of Varli tribe. This helped me to meet Christ in the poorest. Now I have been sent to Goa to complete my professional studies in B.Ed. Though I have chosen the education sector, yet I am open to any ministry so that I can be of service to the poorest of the poor. Friends, this is my story. Today I am very happy as a religious sister. I thank God who helped me all through these years to listen and obey my inner voice, the voice of my heart. As you all know, God has blessed each one of us with a special vocation. Either vocation of marriage, vocation to single life, or vocation to become a sister or a priest. Just as I said yes to the Lord, today Lord is inviting you, my dear parents, to encourage and support your children to listen to the voice of the heart, to listen where the Lord is calling them. Does He desire them to marry? Does He desire them to remain single? Or does He desire them to join the convent or a seminary? If your child comes and tells you that she or he desires to become a sister or a priest, please support them and encourage them, because it is the Lord who calls. And by responding to this call, our families will be blessed with 100-fold. Thank you. If anyone is interested to join the Presentation Sisters, feel free to contact us at our Race Margus Convent, Verin. I would be also leaving these leaflets with Father Orland. Please feel free to come and receive them if you would like to know more about our congregation. Besides this, on 25th at 8:30 to 9 on CCR TV, we would be sharing more about our Presentation Sisters. So feel free to watch the experience we have been sharing about our congregation. Thank you.
देव बरें करूं म्हणटा सिस्टरीक जाणें आपलें आपोवणें आमकां कशे भाशेन आयलें तें सांगलें. जावं कोंकणींतल्यान सांगूंक ना, इंग्लिशींतल्यान सांगलां, पूण आमकां ताची ओळख मेळ्ळ्या. देखून हांव म्हणटालो आपोवणी वयतान पडना, कुटुंबांतल्यान येता. ताच्या आवयक ताणें म्हटलेलें, त्या आवयन गोठ धरलें आनी तिचे खातीर मागलें आनी जायत्यांनी तिका सहकार आदार दिलो. देखून आयज ती मादर जावंक पावली. देवाक दिनवासुया, आर्गां दिवया. त्याच्या देण्या पासत आनी आमचे मदें ती आसा. देखून देवाक तिचेर भरपूर आपलो आशिर्वाद घालूंक आपले जाणवायेन बरोवंक मागुया.